This tutorial will show you how to use the Notes app instead of Notability to complete any assignments you may get in Google Classroom as PDFs. So the first thing I need to do is find one of those assignments in Google Classroom. So I'm going to open my Google Classroom, and then I can see my classes. The assignment that I'm looking for is in this test class, and here it is, new assignment, matching sports. So I'm going to click there, and then I can see the PDF. If I click on that PDF, it will open, and then I want to send it somewhere else. So I see that square with the arrow pointing out up in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to click there. It's going to open up my PDF, and it's going to give me options now. So I want that 3 dots that mean more, same spot, upper right-hand corner. So I click on those 3 dots, and then I want to open in. Open in. Okay, and you can see one of the very first options there is Notes. So I choose my Notes app and save. Okay, now the assignment's going to be in my Notes app. So I get out of Google Classroom, go to Notes, and you can see it's actually the top one there that I just imported. Here it is, my blank document. Okay, so in order to write on this, I can choose down in the bottom right-hand corner, there's what looks like a little pen in a circle next to the camera. I can click there, and it's going to bring up all my tools for writing. Okay, or if I want to make it bigger, I want to open it up a little bit. If I click on it, it becomes bigger, and now that pen's in the top right-hand corner. Okay, just move to the top there. Okay, so I've got lots of different options, okay, for drawing, right? Doing, in this case, it's a matching. I also have an eraser. If I decide that it was wrong and I want to redo it, I can do that, right? So if I complete a little bit of it, I can also show you if you'd like to type instead of write. If you click the plus button, you have the option of adding text as well. Okay, so if I need to type, all I need to do, I put my text box in, and then I double tap on the text box in order for my keyboard to pop up so I can change it. Okay, so let's pretend like I'm done. Now I've done my assignment and I'm ready to submit it. In order to submit, I once again, up in the top right corner, I go to that share button where it's got the arrow pointing out of the box. Okay, so I'm going to click there, and I'm going to save to files. Okay, you see save to files down here at the bottom. I'm going to choose save to files, and I want to save right here on my iPad. Okay, now my assignment is done. I go back to Google Classroom. I'm still in the assignment here. Okay, if not, I would just need to select the assignment again. And now I'm going to submit it. So down here at the bottom where it says your work, I swipe up. I want to add my attachment. Okay, so remember when I was in Notes, I saved as a file. So now when I add my work, I'm going to choose it as a file as well. I go to my files, and there it is. It's this very first one here. Okay, so I choose it, and I may have to wait a minute or so for it to show up. Okay, it is going to show up, however. Oh, not yet. There it is. Okay, so I just went out and went back in, and that's as long as it took here. Okay, so here's my assignment, and I want to turn in. Okay, turn in. Okay, and as soon as I've hit that turn in button, I am done. I can now email my teacher if I need to, just to make sure that it went through. But that's all it takes to use the Notes app instead of Notability. Thank you.